In this video, we will show you how to operate your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded GREENWORKS telescoping string trimmers. Be advised your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Keep hands and feet away from the trimmer head. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and a charger, please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Before starting any string trimmer, the power source must be connected. There is a lockout lever embedded in the trigger. The trigger is underneath the handle. To start the trimmer, pull the lockout button back and engage the trigger. To stop the unit, release the trigger. This machine has an auto-feed trimmer head. The cutting line can be advanced by running the trimmer and releasing the trigger. Wait 2 seconds and pull the trigger again. The line will advance 1/4 inch each time. To prevent excess line from feeding, avoid repeatedly pressing and releasing the trigger during operation. Disconnect the power source. Push the spool retainer button and pull on the cutting line to manually advance the cutting line. It will advance 1/4 inch at a time. There is a cutoff blade pre-installed on the guard. The position of this blade determines the length of the cutting line or cutting diameter. The cutoff blade can be rotated to increase the cutting diameter by 2 inches. Be advised, this will impact your unit's runtime. Ensure the power source has been disconnected. Remove the screw securing the cutoff blade. Remove the blade and rotate 180 degrees. Reinstall and tighten the blade screws. With the machine off and the power source removed, loosen the telescoping. Move the shaft to the desired position. Tighten the coupler. The machine can be used in combination with the edge guide for edging sidewalks and walkways. Flip the edge guide down. Pull the edging coupler and turn the trimmer head 180 degrees until the trimmer head locks into position. Release the edging coupler. Batteries should be stored indoors and away from any heat sources. Charge the batteries at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once the batteries are charged, unplug the charger. The batteries can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove them and store them separately. During the off-season, it's best to store the batteries fully charged. Keep the charger clean and clear of debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GreenWorks string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.